Now, the Cape Town International Boat Show takes place next month, and over the next few weeks we'll be showing you some of the activities that are involved in the boating sector. Now, this week we look at the first one, which is stand-up paddling, a revolutionary sport in the Cape Town area, and Khumalo took part.
Hi, welcome to Red Paddle SA. Red Paddle has 52 distributors worldwide. They do approximately 15 to 20,000 boards a year. The complete package sits in this bag. So in other words, this board will roll up into this bag. Inflatable Red Paddle boards are absolutely awesome due to the fact that you're able to pump them up. We're able to get it to a hardness of 20 psi, which is virtually unheard of. People often ask us, what do we get when we buy a paddle board, or specifically an inflatable Red Paddle? So I brought along a 10.6, and this is how the setup works. So you've seen how easy it is to inflate. I'm going to show you how to deflate it, wrap it up, put it in the bag, off you go. Let's have a look.
We're involved in the design, manufacture and sales of sea kayaks, and we also take people on guided trips using our double touring kayaks. We manufacture all our own kayaks. The designs are all Kaskazi Kayaks' own designs. All the manufacturing is done in Cape Town in South Africa. Our intention is trying to develop the manufacturing business in the country. All the current staff members of the manufacturing business are shareholders of the business, and we distribute the kayaks globally.